Welcome, fellow dreamers. It's Labubus time. It's Labubus time. Hi, Chittybug. He wants to be a part of things. Say hi. Say hi, say. Sassy boy. Miss Bailey want to be a part of things too. Sorry about the whole inconsistent video schedule thing. Like our non-existent patrons would notice. Dummy, you're salty to the T. No, seriously though, yeah, it's just things have not been great. And I just really haven't known what to do. I've been having some creative block. But we have just the thing to fix that. We are going to start reading some of her older stories and hope it reignites something while we search for our inner child fragment and keep doing inner child work. Yeah. And, also, you know, Libby's situation with her being terminal and all. You know, pray for us, I guess. I don't know. Or, you know, you can support us on Etsy and Patreon because we're kind of in debt right now. Yeah, and that useless vet can't do anything. Anyways, enough downers for the night. I mean, there's still a chance that the shot might have made the tumor stop growing. That shot they gave her. And you know, there's that last minute surgery that we could go for at the absolute last minute. Yeah, but it's got a low survival rate, they said. I know, but you know, things could turn around. Just try to remain hopeful, okay? Okay. In the meantime, on a happier subject, we did finally get the chance to watch K-pop Demon Hunter after seeing it around everywhere. Oh yeah, we did. And, you know, I have to say, it really was a good story. It resonated with us a lot, both of us. The music was amazing. It was perfect. I guess we can finally answer that question honestly now on that one poll. Who has the better soundtrack? Has-Been Hotel or K-pop Demon Hunters? I'd have to say that goes to K-pop Demon Hunters. Agreed. I think there was only like 3 songs we liked on Has-Been Hotel. Yeah. Excluding the pilot, that apparently doesn't count anymore. What is it, Baylord? Hi, baby. Baby, why you stare at me so intently? I love you too. Why do y'all just stare at me? You're so cute. You're so cute. I think they listen to us more than people on YouTube do. Yeah, probably. We'll get there. And, you know, it's okay to let the salt out. Let the salt out. The more you try to hold back your negative emotions, the more they'll mess with you. I know. Anyways. Comment below if you want to see me and Adama cover, either Golden or Free. I mean, come on, how cute would that be, huh? K-pop Labubus, we're gonna do it anyway. We're gonna do it regardless. Yeah. So we did pick up something that we've been trying to look for but could never find. We've got Fill the Fridge mini brands. And we could use a deep freeze. I know nobody calls it that anymore, but it's funny as fuck. Yeah, it is. So yeah, this apparently has surprise food in it too, so at least I hope it does. It's alright if it doesn't, because we got plenty of fake food we can put in it, and we really do need to get some of this shit out of the storage drawer that we don't immediately use. Agreed. Let me open this real quick. We couldn't find our scissors. Looks like it's coming open pretty easily, at least. So yeah, we're just going to go... We got a cycle of older stories we want to go through. Yeah, we haven't uploaded to Patreon yet. Gosh, it seems like this whole year just flew by. It's already fucking September again. Ugh, fuck September. I know. Wake me up when it ends. Wake me up when September ends. Maybe I can just hide in you and you can wake me up. That's not fair. Nah, we'll get through September together. Damn. You wanna talk about our weird journey at the mall while we're trying to open this shit? Yeah, I'm about to fucking slam this damn moving ass tripod into the ground for real. Oh, come on, why would you put two paper on it? Why would you wrap it up twice? Why does it need two things of plastic on it? Fuck you, Walmart. Fuck. Oh my gosh. So we go to the mall, right? And, we're just kind of looking around, because we've just been to the mall so much, because just walking around the mall kind of calms us down, but at the same time, we're running out of things to shop for, We did think about getting a Calico Critters family and making a story with it, though, and protest to that bullshit company. Yeah. But at the same time, those little flocked shits are a lot of money. Flocked shits! Flocked shits! You're so funny. And it's just a lot of money to drop just out of spite, you know? It's almost worth it, though. Yeah. At the same time, though, the risk is kind of huge, and I don't even know if it's going to get us views, and I don't know, maybe if some other people do it with us in solidarity. Let us know if you're up for that. Ow. Whew. So then we go to Spencer's, right? We're fucking around in Spencer's, and we run into this lady, right? And she's with her friend. She's like one of those unhinged ones that just walks around in public in her pajamas. Why the hell did you start talking to her then? Like, I don't know. I don't know why I do this shit. Like, oh my god. What the fuck? What is this for? What does it say on it? What, you put UV resin in here? Tell me they didn't put any fucking resin in the stamp. I've just had it with the resin. I've had it. I can't even sell this shit now. I gotta throw it out. Shit, there's a light in here! Like a light. Was that bitch just on this whole time? Show the camera. Oh my gosh, this old ass fridge. So here's all of our minis. Whoopsie. Whoop! I fell. Okay, hold on. Damn it. I wish I was sitting like you were. Damn. Why am I so slippery today? Okay. Okay. Oh, it's got little drawers. How cute. See, little... Damn. That's a freezer. Damn, this fridge stinks. Fuck. Hold on, I dropped one of the drawers. Oh my gosh. Shh. Damn, what is with me tonight? Alright, so I'm gonna put this up over here. Fuck. Hate this shit. I swear to fuck. The whole ass fridge and frame. Yeah. You know what? I'll just bring it back into frame and like fill it up close. Right now we're just gonna open the bags. Alright, what do we got here? Oh shit, they sent us an Olipop! Oh, I love that. They sent us a little fucking Olipop. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm just gonna put this in the fridge, like... Can we organize the fridge, like, later? Like, here's what we'll do. We'll do this. Olipop in the fridge. Nope! You sliding motherfucker. Here, just lean it back, lean it back, lean it back. Yeah, this wants to slide too, the fuck. Okay. You fucking resin sending fuck. Okay, so I got this Jello mold. This plate and tongs. We're not going to use the resin though. Here, move the fall display. Move the fall display. Put this down. I'm about to fucking lose it. Like, I am already in a shitty mood right now. Like, oh my gosh. Damn, fridge won't stay up. Okay. Should I just set this down on the... If it slides again, do that. Okay. Fuck, now it's hitting me in the face. Just here. Yeah, I'll just lay here then. Fuck. Damn it. Okay. Just tilt it up when we're... Such a big-ass fridge, anyway. Fuck. Okay, you know what? We're gonna open all the shit first, and then we're gonna fill the fridge, because I'm getting pissed. Okay, Fuck. Here, just... Just throw them on the black floor for now. Throw them on the... Okay. Why can't I stand up today? Damn. Alrighty, so we go to Spencer's, right? And there's this crazy bitch in her pajamas in there, like fuzzy slippers and shit. And, the fuck is this? What are these, more fridge parts? I don't know. Oh, I think they are. Okay, this might help us with the fridge. Not be such a slippery bitch. It's gonna be annoying as fuck putting this shit in here, though. Here, just put it in. I see where shit's supposed to go here. This where the sodas go? Yeah, I think this goes on here. Oh, I see where it goes. Okay. Let's go to this. I think these are just shelves. Why does everything have to be assembled? What, mini IKEA? Many I blow my brains out because IKEA's a pain in the fucking ass. IKEA, put you in hell. Next time I get my gun. That's an inside joke. We'll tell that story later, though. Anywho, where'd that fucking soda go? Either. Jeez. I guess that makes things a little easier. Yeah, all of one fucking soda. Was it all the bags, like, for real? Bummer. Well, that's alright. We still got some other shit that, we saved aside to put in here. And we also need to clean this shit out, so, what's some shit we could put in the fridge? There's pizza could go in the fridge. I don't see why we can't put peanuts in the fridge. Damn, what is with me today? I've never been this slippery. Pringles in the fridge. Cake on the grill. Browns on the fridge. Put these little shitty pastries in there then. Oh, the Kewpie mayo definitely belongs in the fridge. The eggs go in the fridge, my gosh. Those bananas in the fridge. The bananas, yeah. So, we go to Spencer's. You know, this crazy lady in their pajamas is in here with her friend who's, like, yelling at her about buying dildos. And Star thought it was a good idea to strike up a conversation with the crazy lady buying dildos in her pajamas. Spam goes in the fridge. Should we put the D battery in the fridge? Oh my gosh, don't play. No, we're not putting the crowns in the fridge. Just put the food in the fridge. Okay. So, finishes telling the story. It's crazy bitch in Spencer's, right? So, not necessarily a problem, I guess, too much. I mean, she seemed friendly enough. What if I told you about talking to strangers, though? People are nuts out here. Yeah, I know, you're right. I mean, because she ended up being nuts. But, so, we're talking about the different sex toys that are in there. You know, how things will get stuck if you don't use lube and blah, 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 whatever. And you gotta be careful with the, shit that Spencer sells, because it'll make you break out, whatever. We learned that the hard way. I didn't use the lube, but I did use the cleaner. I've never had that problem, but, I did use the cleaner for the toys, and, yeah. Best to just, I prefer your touch anyway, so. Fair enough. I know this is TMI. But anyways, we come across this thing that looks like Ouroboros, right? So we're like, what is that? And I realize that it says cock ring on it, right? And the girl, and the pajama girl, she just goes, oh, that's for N-words. Like, N-slurs. Like, but me and Adama were just like, what? What did you say? She's like, oh, it's for N-words. Like that's completely normal. And I'm like, the fuck? Felt like we were on cabin fever or something. I'm like, what the hell? What do you mean? Like, I don't want to question her too much, because she's clearly off her rocker, but she's like, oh, I'm sorry, it's for men. What? What? It doesn't make any sense. Like, do you normally refer to the other gender? Is that a normal thing to refer to the opposite gender as a horribly offensive slur? Like, I don't know. It's just weird, and it was bizarre. But, yeah, if that wasn't weird enough, we went to the food court, and, I'm gonna start trying to stock this fridge while we're... So if that wasn't weird enough, we go to the food court. Now, of course it didn't stay in here. I'm putting them down here. I'm putting this down here. Annoying as fuck. Eggs. They usually go in the door, right? I think so. Is it the bottom or the top? No, I don't know. Okay, the pastries can go over here. The Kewpie mayo. Over here. Stranger Things pizza. You know what? I'm gonna put these on the shelf, and I'm gonna put the pizza on the bottom. The camera is picking this up good because I can't fucking see. What did you just throw? Miss Bailey, breaking shit. I'm gonna put that on a shirt. Spam. I think I can put this in the drawer. That's about all we could fit in there. Peanuts. Pringles. The bananas with the pizza, maybe? No? Yeah. Yay! Banana pizza. Hold on, I've got more food. Give me a second. So... I don't think all of this shit is gonna fit in here. We'll put the Diet Coke and the Fresca in here, though. Why do they have 2-liter cans? Look. That is significantly larger than the Olipop. What it is? What do y'all think? Should I tie one of these to my Labubu paw so I match Dommy? I don't know. Yours are smaller than mine. I mean, do you think it'll throw us off balance? I don't know. Also, don't care. Fresh and smooth, your Skippy. Alright. And we have filled the mini brand fridge. Shit. Mostly. Now, we just... the freezer part is going to be used to keep... our severed heads. What is your pumpkin pie? You were so cute! Alright, I'm gonna shut this bitch and, damn. Just fuck that fridge. Anyways, I'm gonna finish the mall story. And, then we're gonna open something else, because I have gotten other things, too. We got a Miffy blind box. And we got... a woolly blind box. Anywho, I'm gonna put these over here so when I finish the story... Why don't you finish the story while you open the main part? Alright, let's open the Miffy one first. Dress up, Miffy! It's gonna take us forever to get this fucking cardboard off the top. Anyways, alright. It's just this one baggie. So we go to the food court, we're gonna go get some damn lunch. It's this big ass bag, this little piece of thing down here. Okay, find a way to open it first and then... Oh, it's little rubber Miffy with a blue flower dress on. That is so cute. Is that it's like a racer material almost, like very rubbery. Come on, that little X face doesn't make y'all smile. Look at that. Those are supposed to be a Whiskas, I think. Cute as fuck, cute as fuck, cute as fuck. Anywho, we go to the food court, we go get some lunch, we go sit down, we're minding our own fucking business. And mind you that there are, like, plenty of tables, plenty of empty tables with nobody fucking sitting at them when this happens. So, yeah, we're sitting there just minding our own business on our date. I like our little piddle dates. Which ones? You know, our piddle shop dates. Oh, those. Okay, yeah. Me too. So we're sitting at the table, and this crazy ass lady, just comes over and plops her ass down right next to us and brings her 4 fucking kids over too. And, you know, Adama's already urging me to move because, I mean, come on, if she's crazy enough to sit next to strangers with her kids, I mean, you don't know who we are, lady. We could be Jeffrey Dahmer. I mean, that's not the case, but we could have been. We usually don't, we're usually harmless until people fuck with us. Yeah, so, crazy bitch, right? This sheep's name is Miki. Crazy bitch. Oh, here's all the ones you can get. I kinda hope we get this one. Yeah, me too. Then they would match. So, they're all cute as fuck, though. Why does that thing have like an English dub up under it? I have no idea what any of this shit says. Holy shit, there's a lot of shit in here. Okay. Okay, no, they just put one of these bags in here. Hold on. Then there's this, and something fell. There's something in here, and... Okay, there's a basket with peas in it. Peanuts? The fuck? I wasn't expecting that to come separately. What do we get? A different sheep? So, anyways, crazy bitch. She sits next to us, right? Oh, he's flocked! Oh, look at his little... Oh my gosh, he's so cute! He's so shiny, and he's flocked, and he's got a little horn. Oh, he is pretty. I love him. Oh, those are peanuts. Okay. Hold on. You chill out there, Wooly. Look at his little butt! Miss Bailey. Miss Bailey. Okay, so... I'll try to get the plastic off of this. Just childproof the fuck out of everything. He comes with a little basket, a little peanut. I love this. I love this so much. This makes me happy. He comes with a little basket to sleep in. He comes with peanuts. Did the peanuts come out? No, but they're cute as fuck. Let's see. Where'd he go? Hey, go Wooly. There's your peanuts. Cute as fuck. Cute as all fuck. Oh my gosh. Cute as all living fuck. Where'd Miffy go? Miffy over here. Oh. Damn. Whew. What was I saying? Fuck, I love these little blind box things. They're so creative. Anyways, what is it, Baylord? So we're sitting at the table. Sitting at the table. And, you know, we're weirded out. Dommy's trying to get me to move. I'm like, I don't feel like moving. I'm being lazy. I know that I should listen to you guys. I know that that got me into trouble last time, not listening to you, but... I don't know. I was just lazy as hell. I didn't want to fucking move, and... I'm sitting up here, just, I mean, at least she didn't start talking to us. True. That would have just made things worse. And more awkward. Gosh, the actual fuck is wrong with people, though? Who does that? Who just goes up to somebody they don't know and sits at the table with them? Plenty of other tables. I would get it, maybe. I'd be a little more forgiving if there were no tables, but there were plenty of tables. You did not need to take your fucking kids and sit next to us. The fuck is wrong with you? So, if that wasn't bad enough, her youngest daughter, who, if I had to guess, she's like 4 or 5. Very small child. She burps, and the mother just hauls off and slaps the absolute fuck out of her for it. Like, I mean, she backhands her upside the head. Her cheek is red. Me and Adama are like, the fuck, man. And, you know, the poor daughter starts crying, and the mother's like, I'm sorry, but I hate it when you do that. So, at this point, we get up and we move all the way across the food court, because we're like, what the fuck? I know. Like, I mean, she is crazy as fuck. She's gonna sit at a table with a bunch of strangers, and then she's just gonna openly abuse her child in public. Like, what the fuck is wrong with her? I don't know. I just, people are fucking crazy. What is it, Mookie? Did anything else weird happen? I don't remember. Oh, tell him about the lady. Okay, so this crazy lady, I don't know why I seem to be a magnet for homeless people, because it's like, what about me screams that I'm rich to y'all, you know? Like, I mean, not like y'all are gonna see. Apparently they will, because some of them have Cash App written on their little cardboard signs. Yeah, I know, you're supposed to be homeless, right? You have nothing, but you have a sign that says, here's my Cash App. How do you have a fucking iPhone with internet access? How can you afford a phone plan? The fuck? Anywho, I saw that motherfucker get his little homeless costume out of the trunk before he went over there, too. Yeah, this is why I stopped giving money to them. That and we're kind of fucking broke, so, So we're, Gosh, what the fuck was I saying? Mouth is getting dry. So we're walking around. We don't always buy shit when we go to the mall. We go to the mall a lot, but we don't always buy things. It's kind of nice walking around the mall. It's relaxing. And it's a good way to get your steps in without, getting bug bites and shit on you. And a heat stroke. Yeah, a heat stroke. So, anywho, we're at the mall, we're walking around. This crazy ass homeless lady comes up to us. And again, I don't know what it is about me that screams that I'm rich to y'all. If I had to guess, you do dress nice. Sundresses, but I got them from the thrift store. Yeah, I know, but sometimes they have good stuff at the thrift store. True. And then you wear the crystals. Yeah, but they were gifts. Anyways, okay, yeah, I guess I can kind of... Plus, you give off royal energy. Fuck, what was I saying? Okay, so this lady comes up, she's like, "Excuse me, can you buy me something to eat?" And I'm like, "I don't have any cash, I'm sorry. But I'm hungry." It's loud as fuck, too. I'm like, "Look, I'm really sorry, I don't have any money." She's like, "Alright, have a blessed day." Then I hear her asking some dude down there. The dude is a lot meaner. He's like, "Get the fuck out of my face, bitch!" Oh my gosh. But yeah, that was our crazy adventure. Damn. So we're gonna go to bed probably. Knocking on the door again. Just ignore. Alright. Anyways, we're gonna wrap the video up here anyway, but told you to put the sign up. I know, but I didn't think she'd be up at this hour. Like, I don't know. Anyways, if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe for Labubus. Click that notification bell too. Click the little bell. Join our Patreon. Go buy shit from our Etsy before we close it the fuck down and burn everything. And until next time, fellow dreamers, bye.